guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a grocery haul, and someone let me know in my last video that they would like to see more grocery hauls. So I go to the store every weekend. I go usually on Sundays, sometimes I go on Saturdays, but so if you guys want to see more grocery hauls, let me know. This one is kind of small because I didn't really have to get too much, but nonetheless, I like filming these. I think they're fun, and I like to see what other people get at the grocery store. Also, I had this shirt on in the last video, but we're gonna ignore that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start, and I got Sherman some of these Munchie Bone peanut butter flavor bones because he's getting neutered tomorrow on Monday, and I wanted to get him some things that would like keep him busy to sit still, because I don't want him to be like running around and exercising and stuff. So then I had to get dishwasher detergent. So this is the Cascade Complete. I just got the smaller bag. I'm not really too picky with dishwasher detergents. That's just usually the brand that I get. The next thing I got was milk. Let's see. This is the Fairlife milk that we always get, and I always get the fat-free. I also got a fat-free block of cream cheese. I'm really excited about these because Devin picked up these Jenny O turkey burgers, and he's gonna grill out. We just got a grill last weekend, I think. Yeah, like the day before Memorial Day we got it. And so he's gonna make turkey burgers one night, and then I've got some sweet potatoes, which I'll show you guys in a second. Sweet potato fries that I'm gonna make to go along with them. So we got some of these turkey burgers. And we got this brand of frozen sweet potato fries. Usually I would make them myself, but we just decided to get these because they're a lot easier, and then we can have more than just the 2 servings that I would make. So these are the Alexia sweet potato fries with sea salt, and we got these from Walmart. This whole grocery haul is from Walmart, by the way. So yeah, this was the only brand they had other than the Great Value, and the ingredients looked a little bit better, so we picked up these. Next 2 things that I got were just 2 boxes of the Banquet turkey sausage links. These aren't the best, but they're the cheapest, and that's usually why I get them. They're really easy. You just pop them in the microwave. The next thing I got, of course, double stuffed Oreos. Devin's not feeling too hot right now, so he might not eat any of these today, but he definitely will eat some of those this week. I got 2 boxes of granola bars. I got the peanut butter dipped, chocolatey covered, chewy granola bars. These are so good. I love these. You guys should definitely try these if you have a Walmart, which I'm sure that you do. These are really, really good. They taste like just like peanut butter. Like, I don't know, they're really good. And then I got these mixed berry fruit and grain bars. These are just like the Nutri-Grain ones. I got 2 things of yogurt. I just get the Great Value brand. So this is the light cherry. Devin picked those out. And then I got the light strawberry banana. I really like their yogurts, and they are really cheap. It's like $1.40 something for 4 of them. So for my lunches this week, I am meal prepping a low-carb taco soup, which I'm really excited about because I've been eating a ton of just like chicken, rice, and veggies. So it's been really boring. And so for my lunches this week, I got a can of Rotel. This is just the original, no salt added. And then instead of ground turkey, which I have bought ground turkey, I don't think I've ever bought ground beef ever since we've lived together. But for my lunches this week, I got this Market Side organic grass-fed ground beef, and it's 85% lean. And I'm really excited to try this because I've had nothing but ground turkey and chicken for like such a long time, and I miss ground beef. So I'm gonna put this in. And there's a dietitian I watch her on YouTube. Her name is Becca Bristow, and I've just been following some of her advice for stuff that I buy at the store, and so this is something that she recommended. So I got this at Walmart, and this is just their like their organic brand. And then this is kind of random, but I got a thing of Tums because Devin gets heartburn sometimes, so he needs Tums. Then we got some Honey Nut Cheerios because they're the best. And I only have 1 bag left, which is produce. And let's see what I got. I got a head of lettuce. So this is just iceberg lettuce. It's strange because the romaine lettuce thing, breakout, like recall or whatever, has been going on for a long time. Like, I thought it would be fixed by now, but stores, like grocery stores here around me, aren't even selling romaine lettuce, which is good, but that's so scary that it's still going on. I don't know why. But then I got 2 apples. These are Fuji apples? No, these are Gala apples. Gala apples. I got 1 tomato because I got it for our turkey burgers. That's also what I got the lettuce for. And then I got some strawberries. Walmart always has a really good price on their strawberries. And they always have like a pound of them for like $3 something, which is a really good price for strawberries. But we don't usually go through that many, so I just get a pound. And then I got a case of water, I got a bag of dog food, and I got a mop, which I will show you guys. So this is the mop that I got. It is the Cedar hardwood floor and more, and it has this like pad on it that you can take off. So the reason that I got this was because we have hardwood floors in the whole downstairs of our house, and they get so dirty because of Sherman, and I hardly ever mop because I just hate doing it. But I got that because I can take the pad off and just wash it. And like a week ago, I got this Method Squirt and Mop hardwood floor cleaner at Target. So I'm really excited to use this, and then I can just like wet the pad on the mop with hot water, and then I can just like squirt this on the floor, mop it, and I can wash it. So I've been using the, what do you call it? The, what's it called? I'm having a blank. What mop do I use, Devin? Swiffer, yeah. It's the Swiffer wet mop or whatever. And those are so expensive to buy the pads, and then like to do my floors here, it would take me like 2 or 3 pads, and then the box only comes with like 6 unless you get the big one. So it was getting expensive, and so I just got this instead. So I'm hoping that I like it. If you guys have used this or the other one, there's one for like a hard floor surface. Like it's not for wood, it's just for like any hard floors that aren't wood. But tell me if you guys like this, or if you have another one that you like to make your hardwood floors clean and shiny, especially if you have dogs. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I know it was a short one, but if you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you have any other video suggestions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!